Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a dark cinematic color grading using CapCut step by step. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your CapCut and then create new projects. Import your video clips like this, and make sure you choose clip with good lighting for the best results. And then next, just go to filter, and then just search for the humble. This one, just choose on it and then adjust the intensity. Adjust it as you like. For example, I will just make it to 50 like this. And then next, just go to adjust and then just set the value as you like to. For example, like this, like I will just lower the brightness slightly like this, and then the contrast I will increase it about 10 like this, and then saturations I will increase it a little bit like this, and then brilliance I will decrease it about 10 like this, and sharpen and then the highlights I will adjust it maybe 5 minus 5, and then shadow I will lower it a little bit like this. These settings will create a darker and more cinematic base. And then next, just you can also increase the temperature slightly, maybe around 6 like this. And then next, you can also add a vignette to make it more cinematic. For example, I will just adjust it to 15 like this, and okay like this. And okay, that's it. This is how you can create dark color grading in CapCut easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.